Welcome back to Monica W. Formulas. Today we're going to dive into something delicious and skin transforming. It's an Ayurvedic granola recipe for radiant skin. We're going to start measuring certain ingredients. We're going to measure 3 cups of oats. You can see all the wonderful properties that the oats have. We need 1 cup of raw almonds cut in small pieces. Then we need half a cup of sunflower seeds. We need 3 tablespoons of raw honey, half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of raisins, 3 teaspoons of turmeric. We can add a quarter of a cup of sesame seeds, some 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and also ginger, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger or powder. Also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. I like to grate this cardamom that comes in pods. I like to use a coffee grinder, so in this case I have the powder and smells wonderful. And our secret ingredient is ashwagandha powder. We need 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, we're going to start putting together all the dry ingredients in a bowl. We're adding the oats, the almonds, the sesame seeds, the sunflower seeds. Feel free to take off any ingredient that you don't have or you don't like. That's completely up to you. After we put all of our dry ingredients, we can start adding the spices. So we're starting to add the turmeric, then we're going to add the cinnamon powder, the cardamom powder, we have to mix it very well. I'm adding there the sesame seeds. I forgot to add them at the beginning before the spices, but that's okay. Still a dry ingredient. We have to mix it very well, add the ginger. After mixing, then we're ready to add our wet ingredients. So we're going to add the coconut oil, and also the honey. Just notice that many of these ingredients have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are very beneficial for skin health. Okay, we mix it very well after this. And now our last ingredient, which is the ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha, it's great for anti-stress, anti-inflammatory, has hormonal balance properties. It reduces skin inflammation and it can improve our skin quality. Now we put our granola on a baking sheet and we spread it evenly, and then we're ready to put it in the oven. 350 Fahrenheit, and it's gonna be between 25 to 40 minutes, and it depends on the oven, but you have to keep an eye on it, and maybe in the middle you have to spread it out or mix it a little bit. Now our last step is the raisins. I don't want to put the raisins in the beginning because they are going to be very dry, so I don't like it. Now after it cools down, we can pack it, put it in a container, and then we're ready to enjoy our wonderful snack or breakfast. If you love this Ayurvedic granola for radiant skin, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Until next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.